Hi guys, my name is Gifmo Maguju and today I'm going to show you how to create a button in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so I'm going to navigate to this sheet. So here is our task for this tutorial. We are going to create two buttons. In one button, we're going to name it Home, and another button, we're going to name it Menu. So let's see how we can do that. Right, so right here on this top menu bar, just click Insert, and you will see an option for shapes here, and that is got this little drop down. So click here, and we're going to choose this rectangle shape, and we're going to come here and drag to create the shape, like so. That's cool. So let's just position our shape. That's good. So now we need to write some text inside this button. So to write some text inside this button, go back to insert on this top menu here, and click on this drop down again, and under shapes you will see this text box. So click on this text box, and you will see this little icon there that confirms that you've selected the text box, and then click inside the text box, and then let's write Home. Cool. Now we've written some text inside our button, and let's customize the text that we've written here, and let's just double click to select the text, and let's press Ctrl A to select the text, and let's go back to Home on this top menu here. You will see here this section, this font section, where we are going to customize our font. So here we can select our font type, and here let's choose Arial as our font type. That's good. And let's increase our font size to just, let's say 16 will be fine. So perfect. Now let's center our text. So now we are done with this font section, so we are going to this alignment section. So here we want to align our text, so let's choose center here. Perfect. And let's click in anywhere in this Excel sheet. Good. So as you can see, we are done creating this button. But the next thing that we want to do before we create another button, we want to customize this button. We want to change the color of this button, and we also want to remove the borders from this button. So to do that, go to this top menu here. You will see under drawing tools, you will see this menu here, format. Click on this one, and here we are going to play around on these shape styles. Okay, so here you see there's this option to change the fill color, which is the color inside the button. Change shape outline, which is changing the border of the button. Shape effects, we can use shape effect to customize this button to look nice, to add drop shadow, outer glow, things like that. So first of all, let's start by changing the color, the fill color of this button. So let's choose, we want a color like this, the green color there. That's perfect. So let's click anywhere in the Excel sheet. As you can see here, there's this border, blues, that is got a blue color, something like that. So we need to remove this border. So to do that, we are going to go back to drawings format there, and on shape outline we're going to click on this drop down there, and we are not going to play around with these theme colors, but we are going on this section where, because we want to remove the border color, so we choose no outline. But let's say you just, before we remove the border outline, let's say you want to use another color as your border. Okay, so you can, let's say, select let's say this color here. As you can see here, you can see there's this border. Let's say you want to make your borderline a little bit bigger, so go back to this, click on this drop down again, and you can come here, and here you can choose your border weight. So here, let's say you want to choose this 1.5 points. So if you click here, you see your border will be a little bit bigger like this. And let's go back again to further customize it. Let's say you want it to be in dashes, let's say you want it to be like this. So if you choose like this, you see your border will be like this on this button. But we don't want that. Okay, we just want a simple button that without a border line. So let's go back to drawings tools, format, and let's go back here on shape outline, and let's choose here no outline, because we want to remove the border. So like this, as you can see, our button now, we have successfully removed the border line on our button. So that's perfect. Now let us create another button and name it menu. So now that we've created our first button, it's now easy to create another button. What we are going to do is we are going to copy or to duplicate this button. Okay, so the way to do that is we can duplicate this by just on your keyboard, just press Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay, so let me do Ctrl Z to undo this. So let's say you want to duplicate this, press Ctrl D. As you can see, I've duplicated this button, or you can use Control copy and paste. So I will just select this button, and here on the keyboard I'll just say Control C, and then I'll also do Control V to paste. Okay, and we get the same result. But in this tutorial I'm going to use Control D. Okay, and like this. So now we've successfully duplicated our button here. So we just want to align it with this one. Perfect. So now it looks better. So let's just click here to select the text inside this button, so that we can customize the text. We can change and write menu there. So let's press on the keyboard Control A like this, and then let's type menu there. Okay, so perfect. Now we have got two nice looking buttons, okay, that we have created. So now we need to, but these, they look nice, okay, they look great, but we can customize them further. We can give our buttons a nice look. So let's just explore the various ways that Excel gives us to customize these buttons. Right, so let's just click on one of these buttons, and then let's go to format there, and let's click on this drop down on shape effects. Like I said, here we can customize our buttons. We can choose this, we can customize our buttons to show like this, or we can choose another preset. Like here, we can change our button to look like this, and this is a nice looking button. Let's undo this, and let's also choose other. We can even go about this drop shadow here. See, you're gonna apply some drop shadow on your button like this. These buttons are looking great, things like that. So there are cool effects that you can add to these buttons. Okay, like this here, the button is looking like with this drop shadow. So let's try on this other button as well. Let's go to this, and Okay, I think that's not the same effect that you've selected for this other button. Let's see which one, but I think this one is nice. Okay, so let's try to apply this effect on this button. So shadow here, let's just apply here. As you can see now, our two buttons are looking great with the drop shadow effects that we've applied. So thank you guys. This is how you can create buttons in Excel. So I hope you have learned a lot, and please stick around for another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create a menu bar in Excel. Okay, and we are also going to link sheets in Excel. And yeah, so stick around guys, and thank you for watching this video. All right, see you there.